With our Real Investment News Desk with Scarlett Fakar, and check out as our market gets open after a rather weak jobs report. I'll talk some more about that in a second. But Scarlett, tell us what's happening here.
We're going to get to those top stories in just a minute here, but the Dow is currently down 29, NASDAQ is down 13, and the S&P 500 is down 4. Looking at oil, not doing too great today. It's down $1.29 to $49.50 a barrel. Gold is down $4.90 to $12.68 an ounce, and the dollar is above the Japanese yen this morning at 113. Your 10-year Treasury rate is at 2.39. Some of your top stories this morning: the economy lost 33,000 jobs last month, the first monthly decline in employment in 7 years. Wall Street economists say that they expect the expected employment gains of 80,000, and that's according to Bloomberg. The employment rate fell to 4.2%. August's jobless rate was 4.4%. The average hourly wage grew by 0.45% for a year-over-year gain of 2.9%. The hurricanes, of course, that roared through Florida and Texas and neighboring states knocked down September's national payroll totals. But whatever damage the storms caused, Wall Street analysts do not expect it to significantly undermine the labor market over the long term. I know Lance is going to talk to you guys about that in a minute. Oil prices are mixed today as investors are waiting to see the potential impact of Tropical Storm Nate on the U.S. Gulf Coast oil infrastructure. And oil is also being impacted by news that Iran, Iraq, and Turkey are taking a unified stance against Kurdistan's oil sector after the region elected to seek independence from Baghdad in September. And one last thing I had to get in here, Lance. We did this yesterday, but Costco now, that wholesale corporation is expanding its home delivery services as food becomes increasingly popular. Food delivery. All right, now Costco's in the game. I'm curious to see where this is going to go.
Well, it's going to be very interesting because, Walmart is, acquired Jet.com last year, and that surprised a lot of people by just how successful Walmart is converting into an Amazon-type structure in terms of delivery. Now you've got Costco entering into the fray. Of course, the big point about this is that Amazon just bought Whole Foods. That caused a lot of turmoil, saying, Amazon's going to put out all the grocery stores are all going to go out of business. The problem is this real impact may be back on Amazon as they're trying to continue to fight for market share, but other big competitors like Walmart, like Costco, people that have already the footprint on a nationwide basis to make deliveries because of warehouse structures like Sam's and Costco could potentially eat into Amazon's share. So this will be worth watching.
Yeah, at the same time, though, FedEx and UPS shares went down yesterday because of Amazon's Prime delivery grocery service. So I know those sectors are going to be worrying too because everyone now is wanting to get into the home delivery service.
Well, again, there's only, the interesting thing about Amazon's issue yesterday with launching their own delivery service is interesting, and it would impact FedEx and UPS, who are dominant in the delivery service, and they're a big deliverer for Amazon. That is going to cut into their market share if they begin to deliver. And look, Amazon's bought their own planes to do air freight, so this is going to impact not only UPS as well as FedEx, but also the United States Postal Service, which is already operating $1 billion of loss every year.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So good point. Hey, thanks, Scarlett. Appreciate it.